Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of children's costumes. Today, we're showcasing what many consider the best animal costumes for toddlers, the Spooktacular Creations Halloween Baby Lion Jumpsuit costume. This adorable outfit is perfect for Halloween, themed parties, or just a fun day of dress up. Let's take a closer look at why this costume is a fantastic choice for your little one. The Spooktacular Creations Halloween Baby Lion Jumpsuit costume is crafted from high-quality polyester, ensuring comfort and durability. This costume features a super cute design that includes a 3D hood complete with lion ears, a jumpsuit that comes with a fluffy tail, furry hands, and a pair of furry booties to keep those tiny toes warm. The attention to detail in the design is sure to make your toddler look irresistibly adorable. One of the standout features of this costume is its practicality. The outfit is designed for easy wear and removal, which is a must when you're dealing with little ones, especially during diaper changes. The cozy fabric is both breathable and lightweight, making it comfortable for your toddler to wear for extended periods. Whether they're trick-or-treating or posing for pictures, this lion costume isn't just for Halloween, it's perfect for various occasions. Think birthday parties, themed events, or even as a unique outfit for a photo shoot. The versatility of this costume makes it a great investment for any parent. Your toddler can wear it for playdates, animal-themed parties, or even as cozy sleepwear during those chilly nights. Now, let's talk about care. The costume is hand wash only, which is simple enough. Just a cold wash and line dry, and it will be ready for the next adventure. Avoid using bleach to keep the colors vibrant and intact. In summary, the Spooktacular Creations Halloween Baby Lion Jumpsuit costume offers not just a delightful look but also practicality and comfort. With its thoughtful design, your little one will be the star of any event. If you're on the hunt for the best animal costumes for toddlers, this lion outfit is a must-have. Make sure to check out the links in the description for more details and purchasing options. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews from Product Critique. Until next time, happy dressing up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.